Hello and welcome. Welcome back to my English German channel. From today onwards, I am also going to present to you my German for Beginners course in the medium of English as well. I started this as a singular medium for beginners in German, but I have decided to give you the same video, the same lesson in the medium of English as well. There is no difference content wise in the videos, but the medium is going to be English in this video series. So today the first lesson, as I did in the singular medium 1, I am going to teach you Begrüßungen or greetings in German language. The English medium video for beginners in German language is going to benefit those in Sri Lanka, our Tamil speaking brothers and sisters who are keen to learn this language, and also those from India or Asia or around the world who are eager to learn this language, German language. So I am going to teach you this language from the very beginning. So therefore join us on this journey to learn German language. You know, German language is spoken in Germany, Austria, Switzerland mainly, and is spoken in many parts of the Europe, and is a global language with millions speaking that, and lots of knowledge being stored in this language. So learning this language will be a key to unlock the knowledge stored in German language. So therefore we are going to learn this language from today onwards. Our first lesson is greetings. In German we call it Begrüßungen. Have a look at the board. You can see 5 greetings, 5 German greetings written on the board. So the first one is Hallo. Hallo is to say hello in German. It is the simplest way of saying hello in the German speaking part of the world. Not hello, hallo. We say hallo in German to say hello in English. So remember hallo. Then we have Guten Tag. Guten Tag is to wish a good day. It's not very common to use this phrase in English, good day, in the English speaking world, but in German it is common. It is slightly formal, but only slightly. That means you can use Guten Tag across the German speaking world to say hello or to say hello. So it is a generally used way of greeting, Guten Tag. Across the German speaking world you can use it. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is used to say good morning in German. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Before midday you can use Guten Morgen. Remember, Guten Morgen. Then we have Guten Abend. Guten Abend is saying good evening. Good evening is used after midday until late into night. You can use Guten Abend. Good evening. Good evening. Then Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht is to say good night in Germany. So just before going to bed we say Gute Nacht in Germany. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Good night. Have a look at the board. You can see 4 more greetings listed there. First one is Grüß Gott. Second one is Grüß dich. Third one Grüß Sie. And finally Servus. These three greetings, Grüß Gott, Grüß dich and Grüß Sie, they are used in Bavaria, the biggest part of Germany. In German, we call it Bayern. In that part of Germany, to say hello or hello, they use these three forms. Grüß Gott, Grüß dich, Grüß Sie. They have a difference in their formality. In terms of formality, they are different. The first two is informal way of saying hello. Informal way of saying hello. That means among known people, among friends, family, among knowns. Grüß Gott and Grüß dich. But the Grüß Sie is formal way of saying hello or hello. It is formal because they use here Sie. Sie is used as a polite form of addressing someone in front of you. So Grüß Sie. Then we have Servus. Servus is used to say hello in Austria and in some part of Switzerland also they use Servus. Is again to say hello or hello. You can see here another set of greetings in German. Tschüss, bis bald, bis später, auf Wiedersehen and auf Wiederhören. First one is Tschüss. This is used in one S and double S, therefore shown you those alternative way of writing that word with separated by slash. You can use either single S or double S. Anyway, Tschüss is used to say bye or goodbye. Tschüss. When you leave somebody, when you leave a friend, actually this is used in informal way. So when you leave somebody known to you, a friend, so you use Tschüss just to mean bye or goodbye. Then we have bis bald, again informal. We can use among our friends bis bald, see you soon, saying see you soon, bis bald. Remember, when you have the letter D at the end of a verb, we pronounce it as T. I will teach you all those things in our coming videos. So just remember this one, bis bald, see you soon. Then bis später, directly translated English version is see you later. So again it is a way of saying goodbye to somebody. So bis später, bis später. Then we have two more. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is see you again. This is formal way of leaving somebody, saying goodbye to somebody. So auf Wiedersehen. Then we have auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören is used when you leave somebody after telephone conversation. So when you end a telephone conversation, you leave somebody over after speaking over the phone, you say auf Wiederhören. Hear you again. Literally that means. So it is used only after telephone conversation. So these German greetings or Begrüßungen, we have learned most of them today in this video. So let's have a look at what we learned today in this video in a summary. First we have hello. Hello is to use to say hello in German. Then we have Guten Tag. Guten Tag is to say good day, wish you a good day. Then we have Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is to wish a good morning. Guten Abend. Guten Abend is to say good evening. Then we have Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht is to wish a good night. Then we have Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott, Grüß dich and Grüß Sie. We discussed their use in Bavaria, a part of Germany, the biggest in the biggest region of Germany. They have variation in terms of formality. Grüß Gott, Grüß dich are informal way of saying hello in that part of Germany. Then we have Grüß Sie. Grüß Sie is the formal way of saying hello in Bavaria. So Grüß Gott, Grüß dich, Grüß Sie. Servus. Servus is used to say hello in Austria and also in some parts of Switzerland and also in southern Germany. Then we have Tschüss. Tschüss is used to say bye or goodbye. You can say this being used in all over Germany, all over German speaking world. Then we have Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is to say see you again. This is the formal way of saying see you again. Then we have Auf Wiederhören, hear you again. This is when you end, as you end a telephone conversation, when then you on leaving a telephone conversation, you say Auf Wiederhören, hear you again. Then we have bis bald and bis später. Bis bald is see you soon. This is informal way, you can use it among friends, known people. So bis bald, see you soon. Bis später is again saying see you soon, directly translated see you later. So this is also used as an informal way of greeting someone on leaving. So through this video, actually I just wanted to give you a feeling of German, how German language looks like, how it sounds like, just to give a feeling of that. I think you might have got that to this video, at the same time learning these greetings also. So I hope to bring you many more videos teaching you German as a beginner. So await many more, and until then, choose. Thank you very much.